This is a foundational authority on the law of complicity, aiding and abetting, specifically establishing that a secondary party can be convicted of a crime even if the principal actor has a valid defense and is acquitted. Hello and welcome to Landmark Case Laws Simplified. Buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of R versus Bourne together. Bourne was charged with aiding and abetting his wife, Adelaide Bourne, to commit buggery with a dog, an offence under the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. The evidence showed that he had coerced his wife into the act against her will. At the time, the law defined this particular offence in such a way that the actus reus, the guilty act, alone was sufficient for conviction. The mental state, mens rea, of the principal offender was irrelevant to the commission of the crime itself. The wife, Adelaide, was acquitted at trial on the grounds of duress. Bourne appealed his conviction as an accessory, arguing that since the principal, his wife, was found not guilty, he could not be convicted of aiding and abetting, a crime that, in the eyes of the law, the principal did not commit. The court dismissed Bourne's appeal and upheld his conviction, establishing a crucial principle for secondary liability. 1. Principal's guilt is not required for conviction. The court held that a person can be convicted as an aider and abetter, a secondary party, even if the principal offender is acquitted. The acquittal of the wife on the ground of duress did not mean the actus reus of the crime, the prohibited act, had not been committed. It simply meant that she had a personal defense that excused her from punishment. V Bourne is a leading case for the proposition that a secondary party's liability is derived from the commission of the crime by the principal, not from the principal's conviction. This principle is often summarized by the phrase, "The secondary party can be guilty even if the principal is innocent." This most commonly applies in situations where the principal has a defense, like duress, as in this case, or where the principal is an innocent agent, e.g., a child or someone who is unaware they are being used to commit a crime. It ensures that individuals who manipulate or force others to commit criminal acts cannot escape liability simply because the person they used has a valid excuse. Thanks for watching.